Hi kids! Today we will understand 30 cookies and biscuit name. American Macaron biscuit. American Macaron biscuit. Anisette cookies. Anisette cookies. Arrowroot biscuits. Arrowroot biscuits. Bath Oliver. Bath Oliver. Barazek. Barazek. Berger cookies. Berger cookies. Brandy snaps. Brandy snaps. Butter cookies. Butter cookies. Buttermilk. Buttermilk. Butter pecan cookies. Butter pecan cookies. Bourbon biscuit. Bourbon biscuit. Brownie. Brownie. Cookie roll. Cookie roll. Coyotas cookies. Coyotas cookies. Chinese almond cookie. Chinese almond cookie. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Custard cream. Custard cream. Dalgona cookies. Dalgona cookies. Digestive cookies. Digestive cookies. Fortune cookies. Fortune cookies. Fig roll biscuit. Fig roll biscuit. Funfetti biscuits. Funfetti biscuits. Ginger biscuits. Ginger biscuits. Gingerbread man. Gingerbread man. Glucose biscuits. Glucose biscuits. Ladyfinger cookies. Ladyfinger cookies. Hobnob. Hobnob. Merry biscuits. Merry biscuits. Thanks for watching.